Hi everyone, I'm Edison Yap, the Managing Director of AFG Logistics. We are specialized in cold chain logistics that include import, export, warehouse and transportation. We are established since 2019, which is a COVID year. We are using Excel, Microsoft Excel, to do all the billings, all the statement of account, all the checking. This create a lot of typo error. Then everything need to cross check. I'm also using the Excel for calculate all their PPF, SOCSO, PCBs. It's very complicated and wasting time. Currently, we are using two AutoCount software. One is accounting, one is payroll. Once I get this software, I can get it by 10 minutes. I can do everything, calculation, everything in 10 minutes. Very save my time and very helpful. I can use the time to do more productive things like meet customer, close deals, doing tenders. A lot of things that I can increase my company revenue.